Took us longer than expected, but we made it to Dallas. So I heard this is a good food spot to eat at, Whataburger. Yeah, the drive was only supposed to be 8 hours, but it took us like 15 hours because we had to go to well, we did mini stop, but we ended up going to Wichita Falls. We are gonna eat out later, but I did want to just try the burger. So my wife just got me this is the original cheese. What I can say is it's better than the other like fast food restaurant burgers. Yeah, this is really good. I'm not a mustard fan, but even their mustard is pretty good. This is definitely worth trying if you guys are in Texas. So we're trying out Cafe Filipino, our culture food. Very good vibes here. This is what we order. Some kare-kare, caldereta. Look like it's, I don't know what that is. What is this?
Menudo.
Menudo. What is this one?
Sabi parang isang sadong talong, something like that.
Cochinta. Even though they were closing, the food was still fresh. So if you guys are in Dallas, Texas, try Cafe Filipino. They got a band and everything. Hey, good morning, guys. So we finally got some rest. We've been driving a lot for this past couple of days, and it feels like we haven't been actually sightseeing or going anywhere, but we're very well rested. So gonna be our first activity for today is to take the kids to Peppa Pig World to play. See you guys when we get there. I'm glad we found out that there's an actual theme park for Peppa Pig. Kids are a big fan. So here in Dallas, Texas, they have a few of them. There was one inside the mall, but it was a smaller version. I think it's called like Peppa Pig World. Peppa Pig theme park. Here's the park. The kids can actually ride those, the mini roller coaster. Let's go ride it. Little maze. Check out the castle. Go inside. Oh. Can you go up or no? That's it? Let's go. Good thing the line is not very long. You got food place here. There's a little water. You got Pirate Island. The weather's pretty hot. It's about 100 degrees, but the breeze feels good. So we're gonna be waiting in line to ride this roller coaster. Then we're gonna go over there. We're inside the house. Look. You gonna cook? What you gonna cook? Let's go. You ready? Uh-oh. Ride the slingshot. It's slowly going up. I don't know. They got fun part. Yeah. Pretty much the best view to see the whole place up here. for adventure. We can't leave Texas unless we visit their downtown. There's not that many people here, to be honest with you. Pretty shocking. Look at this golden statue. There's so many things to do here in Dallas, Texas. So this is downtown Dallas. Oh, lots of big buildings. We're gonna grab something to eat real quick. Hopefully this is good. This stallion. That's what they have for their menu. Yeah. Got some brisket sandwich. Loaded nachos. Got some brioche bun. Coleslaw. Only thing is missing is some ranch. This is why we love going to Texas. Their food is delicious. Our Adventureland approved. You know, I feel like we've been to so many places. We should just be a food tester. We try on a lot of food around the country. What you got there?
Elote.
Elote? Mm-hmm. Wow. How you like it?
Pretty good.
Yeah. What does it taste like?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's a good way to describe it. What if you never had elote? How would you describe it? Redeem yourself. What does this nachos taste like?
Tastes like nachos.
Tastes like nachos.
Nachos with some brisket.
Yeah. They got some fresh jalapeno. This thing is spicy. What is this? Cream cheese? I like the Mexican cream cheese. That's just good. The crema setup here is pretty dope. Look at this. All the cowboy hats. Let's go ahead and explore this area a little bit more. It's actually starting to pick up. There's more people showing up. But I wonder what that is. Everybody's taking a picture over there. It looks like one of those mirror glass. Check your...
I think at night it lights up.
Does it light up? Probably. It's probably nicer at nights. AT&T Discovery District. I like how all this building is covering up the sun. Even though it's over 100 degrees, it feels like it's around 80. There's a lot of cops and security over here. Homeless ain't too bad, actually. I feel like the worst one we seen was in San Diego. Seattle wasn't too bad either. Oh, Utah was a lot, but look at this. Like a mini fiesta. Yeah, we've been to so many places. This downtown is probably the most security or police we've ever encountered or seen in a downtown. We going? Apparently there's a giant eyeball down here. So that's where we're walking. Go ahead and see that. Chill zone. A little outdoor play area. Some big chess. And a church in here. St. Jude Catholic Church. That's the first too. $45.10. Here it is. I think I saw it. There's a giant eyeball. The giant eyeball. What a beautiful walkway here. There's a lot of hotels, pretty much a lot of hotels, luxury apartments.
Yeah.
And kind of surprising, the parking, you know, the free public parking is not expensive. Seattle, crazy. $60 for like 2 hours or something like that. Here's only $10 for 12 hours.
It's not bad.
Not a bad place to see though.
Entra aqui fora no banheiro com a gente aí, vem.
Careful. Ice cream.
We're still trying to figure out where to go next, but as of now, we're just chilling here. The weather suddenly became perfect, but yeah, I like this place. Like a big open area. We have made it to our house. So hot. That thing is probably dry. What's its temperature here? I think it's like, yeah. Oh, 102. Ain't too bad. 102. You got this large area, but there's no one around.
It's staring at me.
We were ready to leave Dallas, but we ended up finding this spot here. It's called Westlake Park. Look at this. Wow, that is pretty nice. And what's cool about this, we asked in the front. They asked, oh, you guys are staying overnight? Nah, we're just visiting or driving by it. And then we let them know we're military. Then they gave us a pass for overnight stay. I was like, what? That's pretty dope. So the perks of serving the country. Thanks to all the veterans out there. I'm one of them. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So this is, I guess we're not leaving tonight. This is our spot for tonight. The guy over there in the front gate is super nice. Hook us up with everything. He said, here's a private key to the bathroom. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a private bathroom in here? But yeah, we're staying here for tonight. So we have the perfect spot. And we're still full. So we're just gonna chill here. I'm gonna set up a little, you know, like, I don't know what we have back there, but we'll try to figure something out. Just to chill here. Next time, I'm gonna rent a boat. That'd be fun right there. And just like you got those boats over there. Most likely fishing. Then there's houses around this area. Some of these people are probably loaded. Look at that. You got that dude speeding. Sounds fun right now. Oh, who's winning? Ah, that dude's slow. Yellow's winning. Hey, the last one. That one ran out of gas. Pretty dope here. Look, they're parasailing. That's probably their own equipment. I don't think there's an actual place where you could actually do that here. What a gem we found here in Texas. We were trying to look for some kind of body of water, and we found one here on our way to Oklahoma. But yeah, I'm changing plans again. We're staying here overnight. The breeze, it feels so good here. The weather, I don't know, the actual temperature is probably like around 90s or something, but man, this is definitely, we're pinning this spot. We're coming back here again. with family members. What do you think?
I have a really good sense.
What was that? How you like it here? Come here. Tell me, do you like it here?
I love it here.